Framingham. The reason why we're here today is to hopefully find an intern for our Framingham Boys and Girls Club program. The kids love the program and always, just latch themselves onto the bigs, and it's been a very beneficial program. So if we're able to find, some students here that would be willing to join, we'd love to grow that program to help benefit the other kids in Framingham. Focus is to really alleviate suffering for those in our community. So we specialize in working with vulnerable children and frail elders. We have a lot of different program opportunities that work with the different populations depending on what your passion is. We look for volunteers with a lot of these, and then also interns with a lot of our programs. So that's really what we are looking to add capacity to our agency through volunteers.
So the Edinburg Center is a human service agency that provides support and advocacy to those with mental illness, as well as developmental disabilities, both in a residential and an outreach setting. We have full and part-time positions, entry-level positions, as well as master-level internships.
Beacon ABA Services. So we are a home-based company that focuses on children with autism between the ages of 2 and 6 years old. And we utilize applied behavior analysis to work on communication skills, social skills, and play skills. And really anything that a parent or family member tells us is important to them. We've had a really good job hiring Framingham State. We still have several grads working for us right now.
South Bay Mental Health provides community-based behavioral health care to children, adolescents, couples, families, and adults. We do have a number of ways that Framingham students can be interns with us. We can take them in our day services program, which is the substance abuse program, and so they'll have the opportunity to run groups and be a part of the treatment planning process. In addition to that, this year we piloted an outpatient mental health internship program in our Leominster site, and so students from this area might live as far west as Worcester or maybe in the Lowell Lawrence area, and we have 4 or 5 sites that probably would be appropriate intern sites for them once they're ready.
So we're recruiting volunteers for our place-based program through Horizons for Homeless Children. So our volunteers would take on a 2-hour shift working in the place-based with the kids. It's a one-time training to attend. You'll learn more about homelessness in Massachusetts, early childhood development, what to expect in volunteering with us. And we do have a minimum commitment of 6 months just to maintain consistency with the kids. So often, their lives have kind of been, they've been experiencing a lot of instability and inconsistency there, so we just want to make sure our volunteers are going every week, creating those relationships with the kids.
Early Childhood Alliance of Framingham. What we do is partner with other community members such as Framingham Public Schools, Framingham Public Library, all kinds of other organizations. We are always seeking volunteers through our internship. We always need people to assist in our play groups, to help us with our resource guidebook, to update flyers so we can do outreach within the community. And it's a great program, and we hope that more Framingham State students get involved.
Barton Associates, we're a healthcare staffing agency. Basically what we do is we work with healthcare facilities around the country, providing them with nurse practitioners, PAs, and physicians. Ultimately my goal is to recruit competitive, driven individuals who have an interest in human resources, sales, ultimately can communicate and have a great personality.